This is our powder coating facility. We bought a business out 6-7 years ago because finding ovens big enough to do chassis is pretty rare, and they're production shops and they don't want to fool with it. So anyway, we ended up buying it and moving it here, and so we can do a complete truck. We use it quite a bit. You'll see wheels that are done. And then these are the tires and wheels for our ride truck program. These tires are actually brand new in 1989, and we bought them off of an old school truck, because I'll show you. And then we had them buffed down to get the weight off of them. But we're doing the truck back to my original truck, the red Samson, the 88 Chevy body. These are our tires we're using, starting to go to now, which are Firestones. And then we had them buffed down also. We had 21 tires buffed down. These are tires we're going to use to go to Europe, because we're going to do a Hot Wheels tour in Europe in 22. And so it's a non-dirt show, so they're pretty hard on tires. So we went to the Firestones, which are pretty just indestructible as far as that kind of service.